Natural methods help improve nail fungus faster. 3 months ago, I noticed something embarrassing on my toenail. A yellowish discoloration had appeared, and the nail felt thicker than usual. After researching extensively and consulting healthcare professionals, I discovered several natural approaches that significantly improved my condition within days. Nail fungus affects millions worldwide, yet many people don't know about effective home remedies that can support traditional treatments. These methods work by creating environments where fungal growth struggles to survive. Understanding how fungus thrives helps explain why certain remedies work. Fungi prefer warm, moist environments with neutral levels. By altering these conditions, we can naturally discourage fungal growth. Here's what medical research reveals about effective home approaches. Tea tree oil contains powerful antifungal compounds called terpenes. Studies published in the Journal of Family Practice show tea tree oil demonstrates significant antifungal activity. Apply diluted tea tree oil twice daily using a cotton swab. Mix 1 part oil with 1 part carrier oil to prevent irritation. Apple cider vinegar creates acidic conditions that fungi dislike. The acetic acid in vinegar helps restore natural balance around affected nails. Soak feet in diluted apple cider vinegar solution for 15 minutes daily. Mix equal parts water and vinegar for safe concentration. Coconut oil provides lauric acid, which has documented antifungal properties. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology confirms coconut oil's effectiveness against various fungal strains. Massage organic coconut oil into affected areas twice daily after cleaning. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong antimicrobial effects. Crush fresh garlic cloves and mix with olive oil. Apply this mixture to affected nails for 30 minutes daily. The sulfur compounds in garlic create hostile environments for fungal growth. Baking soda helps neutralize moisture and creates alkaline conditions. While fungi prefer neutral, extreme alkalinity can inhibit growth. Make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply for 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, potent natural antifungals. Dilute oregano oil significantly before application as it's very strong. Use 1 drop per teaspoon of carrier oil maximum. Proper nail care enhances any treatment approach. Keep nails trimmed short and filed smooth to prevent further damage and improve treatment penetration. Maintain dry feet by changing socks frequently and using moisture-wicking materials. Disinfect shoes regularly with antifungal sprays to prevent reinfection. Avoid walking barefoot in public areas like pools and locker rooms where fungi thrive. Important considerations for safe treatment. Some individuals may experience skin sensitivity to natural oils. Always perform patch tests on small skin areas first. People with diabetes or circulation issues should consult healthcare providers before trying home remedies. Severe infections require professional medical evaluation and may need prescription treatments. Consistency matters more than intensity with natural approaches. Gentle daily application works better than aggressive occasional treatment. My personal experience showed visible improvement within the first week. The yellowish color began fading, and the nail texture started normalizing. However, complete nail renewal took several months as healthy nail growth replaced infected areas. Tracking progress helps maintain motivation during treatment. Take weekly photos to document changes that might be subtle day to day. Remember that nail fungus improvement varies significantly between individuals based on infection severity and immune response. Natural remedies work best as supportive measures alongside proper hygiene and medical guidance when needed. Before starting any new treatment regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare professional. These natural approaches offer hope for those seeking alternatives to harsh chemical treatments while supporting overall nail health. Your journey to healthier nails starts with understanding that patience and consistency deliver the best long-term results.